Getting started is arguably the most difficult part of being a programmer. So where do you start? First, pick a programming language of your choice. Programming languages are different ways you can give instructions to a computer. Every programming language has its pros and cons. So how do you choose one? Many people recommend the Python programming language because it's so easy to learn, so start there. Next, you should find learning resources. I recommend Codecademy and Programming with Mosh's tutorials on learning Python. Make sure that while you're learning Python, you're not drinking from the fire hose. Don't just copy what the person is writing on the screen mindlessly. Remember to always try to put your own spin on things. This will keep you interested and less apprehensive of the length of some of these tutorials. And remember, if you ever run into a problem, Google is your best friend. The programming community is huge and chances are there's already an answer to your question. If you can't find one, post a question yourself. I recommend posting your question on Stack Overflow because it's one of the largest Q&A platforms for programmers on the internet. If you're at a comfortable place with how much you understand Python, feel free to stop watching the tutorial and start your own project. Look up the things you need to know so you can learn while programming. Once you're done with a small project in Python, you can move on and make another one. This time, research which programming language you want to use. Like I said before, each language has its pros and cons. For example, Python is open source, has a great community, and is easy to learn. However, it's slower than other programming languages and it's not really that good at threading. Depending on what you want your project to be, you can choose the programming language that is the best fit for you. Then, learn it if you don't already know it, and then make your project with it. Once you get a bit more advanced, I recommend watching YouTube channels like Fireship. His videos are aimed towards people who have a moderate understanding of programming, and his 100-second videos tell you about a new technology, what it is, and how to use it in 100 seconds or less. This has been How to Get Started with Programming. Thanks for watching.